The bomb killed over 100,000 people, just instantly annihilated them. But then there were tens of thousands of people that survived in horrific ways. And they suffered. I mean, the river that runs along this area here was filled with bodies of people who were so badly burned by that flash, and their bodies were just weeping fluid, and they were thirsty because they were losing the water in their bodies, and they rushed to the river and plunged into it, and in drinking that water, they died. And all you hear the stories that people walked over the carcasses of human beings that were in that river. But however horrible the survivors lived, in a few days, this rumor spread throughout Hiroshima that nothing would ever grow in Hiroshima again, that basically the atomic bomb had sterilized the land. And that was even more horrible than what the survivors were going through. The thought that nature itself had been wiped out by the nuclear bomb was an unbearable thing. And it was only when people began to report that they saw plants beginning to sprout that there was a relief that spread through the city that no, nature wasn't killed. And I think that story is so important today. 64 years later, nature is once again threatened by the enormous power of humankind. The thought we are driving species to extinction at a rate that hasn't been seen for 65 million years. The idea that millions of species are going to go out of existence within our lifetime, to me, is horrifying. Every bit as horrifying as the notion that Hiroshima was once sterilized.
被爆者代表